Hello students and educators, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari, your go-to place for all things awesome and educational. Today we have got something really important to talk about, the CBSE Budding Author Program. In today's video, we are going to discuss about online workshop for CBSE Budding Author Program in complete detail. We are going to give you the webinar schedule as well as the link how to access those webinars. So, one of the activity under CBSE Reading Mission is CBSE Budding Author Program, which aims to ignite the creative spark within students by encouraging them to explore the art of storytelling. This enriching experience not only hone their writing ability but also nurture their confidence and self-expression. The student can submit their story in Hindi or in English in the following three categories. Category 1 is for students of classes 5 and 6, Category 2 is for classes 7th and 8th, and Category 3 is for classes 9 to 10. Step for this budding author program are as follows. Step 1 is registration, and timeline for the registration was from 5th April to 15th May 2024. I hope that you have already registered for this program using LOC detail, and you must have received unique login ID and password for all the registered students. Now, you may be thinking where to use this login ID and password. So don't worry. This login ID and password, you're not going to use it now. You will use it on 1st July because the website will be activated on 1st July. Link for that we'll be sharing in upcoming videos. Now, second one is online workshop. Timeline is from 2024. So in this video, I am going to share the complete webinar schedule as well as their link so that you can attend all the online workshop. Then step 3 is submission of a story. Now, in this step, you are going to use your unique ID and password, which will start on 1st July and ends on 15th August. And the last step is evaluation and publication of your story. Now, your webinar schedule. The first online workshop will be conducted on 14th June 2024 and the topic will be Webinar for Budding Author Program Spin a Story 1. The second webinar will be on 21st June 2024. Topic will be Webinar for Budding Author Program Spin a Story 2. Third will be on 24th June 2024. Topic will be Learning from Winner of Budding Author Program 23-24 Batch 1. Fourth webinar will be on 26th June 2024. Learning from Winner of Budding Author Program 23-24 Batch 2. And last webinar will be on 28th June on topic Webinar for Budding Author Connect 4. Now, you may be thinking, how to access all this webinar? So link for all the webinar is given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. You just have to click on those webinar and you can easily access the webinar. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow educators and students. Leave a comment below if you have any question and I will be happy to help. Until next time, keep inspiring and stay creative. Bye.